Over the last couple of months, I have managed to generate hundreds of dollars as a faceless TikTok Shop affiliate, even though it's something that I'm doing on the side and spending very little time doing it. However, I know that's not very impressive, and that is very little compared to what the potential of TikTok Shop affiliate earnings are. For example, this creator, $160,000, their rough conversion to dollars from pounds in the last 7 days. The video was 48 seconds long and they've only got around 5k followers. You can also see this creator right here who generated the equivalent of around $220,000 with a 29-second video just in the last 7 days alone. This is revenue, not their affiliate income. You can calculate about 20, maybe 15, maybe 10% of that in terms of what they took in their pockets, which will still be pretty hefty for one video in the last 7 days. My point is the opportunity is still there, especially if you are a faceless TikTok Shop content creator. Yes, they are based in the USA, so there's either people that are getting swept up by the hype of TikTok getting banned potentially in 9 months, and there's also people that are keeping their heads down, getting the work done and making the most of the opportunity that is TikTok while it's still there. But as a faceless content creator, how do you create compelling videos that convert viewers into buyers? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 different ways for creating high converting faceless TikTok Shop affiliate videos. This is assuming that you already know what products you are going to be promoting. If you're not entirely sure, I've got a video that will be somewhere on the screen or in the description where I break down product research is proven to convert on TikTok, so you can go ahead and check that out. Number 4, create your videos using AI. So I'm talking about using ChatGPT, Gemini to come up with a script, which are pretty much the same, except Gemini is connected to the internet, but the free ChatGPT is not. You can go ahead and use Midjourney as well to come up with the images. You can use tools like 11 Labs to cook up the voiceover. There are, of course, free alternatives to these tools. These are just ones that I prefer to use. There are hundreds of different AI tools that can achieve exactly what I've mentioned here as well. The advantages of this: you are going to get a high quality script, you are going to get some really good visuals and a pretty decent voiceover when it comes to tools like 11 Labs. But the downside is this can be very, very time consuming. It can take hours, especially if you're someone that is just starting out as well. So this leads me to option number 3, which is by far one of the best options when it comes to creating faceless TikTok Shop affiliate videos, an option that I've tried numerous times myself and seen some really good results. So this option is to have videos actually created for you rather than you spending time creating the videos. The good thing about this is you can actually split test videos to see which ones convert the best for your product. This is by a service called Viral Ecom Ads. They create TikTok creatives or TikTok videos that you can use to sell on TikTok Shop. So I'm going to show you some examples here of some high converting types of videos that you would receive. These are faceless videos, not showing your face, you're not using your voice. The way that this actually works is you follow the link that I've left in the description, you go ahead and place an order, they send you a form that you can fill in, you then receive 5 videos for one product that you are then going to test. The good thing as well, if you need any revisions, you can go ahead and ask them to revise the video for you. They'll go ahead and make the changes and send the video back to you. But the key thing is once you find that high converting video, you can either get them to send you more videos by reordering another split testing package, or you can go ahead and do what I did and become a VIP member. If you are a VIP, you get a guaranteed response within a day. Not to mention that you're going to get 75% off across all their different video packages. They essentially take all the work off you creating the videos, so you can go ahead and just get videos that are essentially ready for you to use to post on TikTok. This has allowed me to earn the most money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, being completely faceless, not using barely any of my time. Now, the videos don't come with music as well, which means that you can go ahead and put whatever trending sounds are currently on TikTok that you wish to use. Now you can actually get 15% off if you use my code Victor, or you can just click on the link that I've left in the description as well, because I wasn't going to post this video if I wasn't going to make sure that my viewers get some sort of discount when they use this service. So go ahead and check them out. The service again is called Viral Ecom Ads, and thanks to Viral Ecom Ads for sponsoring this video. Now option number 2 is that you can go ahead and film your own videos from home. This is really good because this is and an approach that allowed me to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate very quickly. You're still not showing your face, you're just using your hands and the product. Just looking around the house, seeing what products I've got that are also on TikTok Shop. So I've already got the products in hand. Like for example, this bottle that I've got here, this phone cover, this mouse right here. You could find that you have a surprisingly high amount of products already in your home that you can go ahead and start promoting. You're just literally pointing your phone, talking about the product, or using a AI voiceover talking about the product. The pros of using this method: there's no complex tools that are needed, and you can hit the ground running. But the downsides of this approach is that you essentially may not have any products in your home that are also trending on TikTok. Just because I've got this here doesn't mean it's going to be trending on TikTok. Option number one, and again in no particular order, what you could also do is look at using TikTok's very own auto-generated video tool. Now, I've done a video previously on how this actually works. Pretty easy to use approach. This essentially allows you to create an auto-generated video using TikTok's very own built-in AI, completely free. It allows you to hit the ground running as a TikTok Shop affiliate if you are just starting out and you've just qualified. Pros of using this approach: easy to use, it's natively built into TikTok, so you don't have to use any third-party AI tools. However, the downside is it's very glitchy, and the quality of the output is very low as well. I often find that when I'm trying this out, I have to try at least a couple of times to generate even one video before it comes out, and it comes out the way that I want. You've got very little control. TikTok basically takes all the control away from you. Yes, they do still convert, but it usually takes a couple of attempts before you actually get videos that convert. With all of that being said, you might still have some questions if you're just starting out as a TikTok Shop affiliate. What TikTok Shop affiliate is exactly? How does it work? What countries qualify? And how do you essentially become a TikTok Shop affiliate? And what do you need to know when starting out? I've got you covered. Click the video that I've got linked somewhere on the screen. That is a free course available here on YouTube. See you in there.